By pumping the data through our conversion routines and through PeopleSoft and ultimately into business intelligence, we had multiple checks and balances along the way. IT did the first checks to say, does this data balance and does it make sense from a technical perspective? We had numerous financial analysts who were looking at the data to say, did we convert this correctly, and did all the data get into the right accounts from a financial perspective? The next check and balance was getting into the project financial analysts who were looking at it down to a project perspective. And then finally, we engaged the operations folks to look at the data to say, not only is it getting to the right project and is it being consolidated in ways that it's never been consolidated before, but is it making sense in terms of the delivery from Department X or Department Y in terms of the serving up that information to you. And so all along the way there were numerous checks and balances to ensure that the quality of the data was getting to where it needed to be and then was consumable. Certainly the advantages that Kendall received from certifying the data was getting us through our budgeting and planning deployment much more efficiently and quickly than we normally would, because that data was clean and tidy from previous certifications. We certainly have better visibility into our utilization reporting, which is how we make use of our resources and assign them to billable projects. We have put new reporting tools and new trending capabilities into the hands of the operations folks. That's our bread and butter is good use of our resources. That's what makes or breaks our ability to achieve profit. So getting greater visibility of the utilization and again tying that back to workflow management and workforce management to facilitate the right volume of hiring and applying resources to projects. That was an aha for us in terms of the kind of information we could get out of the business to run it more efficiently and effectively. And then I think finally, and still quite frankly on the horizon for us is tying in the HR data and ensuring that the quality of our hires is in alignment with what we need and that we align our attrition to the hiring process so that we maintain and retain resources longer than we might as if we hire the wrong resource. So we can look at quality of our hiring practices as it relates to linking that to our overall performance and resource assignment. Again, back to what I said earlier is stronger and better utilization and delivery to our customer.